Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I just want to share with you a Mother's Day tablescape idea. This is for an outdoor brunch. We have a setup inside and we also have a setup outside. So just want to share with you. I wanted it to be simple and elegant and affordable. And I don't think you have to pay a whole lot of money to impress other people. I think hospitality and welcoming someone into your home and being hospitable, having good food, good drink, and good company, it all works together. I do, you know, make sure I have quality items. If I'm going to invite someone over, it is going to be a quality event, and I want to take good care of my guest. So, this is a beautiful color. Now, these cups, they inspired this entire tablescape. When I saw those, and it says, happiness grows here. And I love the purple in that. And then I said, well, I got some purple placemats and napkins. So that was the jumping off point. And then I realized I did have these fresh jasmine warm amber musk candles. And these are citronella as well, so I have those out here. So on top, the foundation is the purple woven placemat. Then I have these beaded clear chargers. Let me get that off. And I have these classic white plates. And then we have a salad plate on top of there. And then I have some stainless steel, very simple cutlery. And then I put a purple napkin, just a simple fold, fluff and fold. And the napkin ring is a succulent. And the succulent has like slightly purple edges on there. Okay, and each place setting is the same. So I'm going around, each place setting is the same. Okay. And what you do, if you are a caterer or you're the host and you want to go in and have your table set up, you can go in and set it up, but put a plastic tablecloth or some table cover over the entire table. You see, I don't even have the umbrella out yet. That's gonna come out in a little bit because I have to dig for it. But you can go in and get this stuff started, and have it covered up, and everything is washed and clean and sanitized. But cover it up until the party, and then you can uncover it, put the umbrella up. And if you're working around like a patio table that has an umbrella, I get several smaller to make the centerpiece, just some smaller plants. And then get plants that everyone can take one home with them. And that's what I'm doing. There's one right here. And it's not like a big arrangement where it's in your way. You can't have your salt and pepper shakers and all of that. So I just put one here, on each, in front of each place say place setting. Just put a plant there. Then in front of this place setting, and all in the center of the table. And I have a different plant for this person because this is what they like, because I know that. Okay. And all of these are cuttings from a mother plant that I've grown. And just like mom nurtured you, I nurture my plants and, love sharing them with my guests. All right, guys. So just wanted to share with you a Mother's Day garden party. It's definitely in the garden. I'm going to have the greenhouse open and all the flowers, you know, will be pulled out. These plants here won't be out there. But just wanted to share the tablescape with you. Isn't that very striking? With all the green out here, that purple really pops. Okay, guys, so thanks so much. Just wanted to share this tablescape with you. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe if you're new. And hello to all of my new subscribers. And hello again to all of my OGs. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody. All right. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.